I shall now introduce our Honorable Director, Professor Shivaji Bandyopadhyay. He has joined as the Director of NIT Silchar on 1st December 2017. Prior to that, he was the Head Computer Science and Engineering Department, Jadavpur University during 2012 to 2014. Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Jadavpur University during 2013 to 2016. And Director, Computer Aided Design Center, Jadavpur University during 2012 to 2017. He was also the coordinator of TechIF of Jadavpur University during 2013 to 2016, among other responsibilities. Professor Bandyopadhyay has supervised over 13 PhD students, and a total number of 12 PhD scholars are currently working under his supervision. He has published around 49 research articles in reputed journals and 250 research publications in reputed conferences, workshops, or symposiums. He has also authored 2 books. He has completed 4 international research and development projects with France, Mexico, Japan as the principal investigator in the area of sentiment analysis, question answering, and textual entailment. He was the chief investigator of 8 national level consortium mode projects in the areas of machine translation, English to Indian languages, and Indian language to Indian languages, cross-lingual information access, development of tree bank for Indian languages, among others. Currently, he is executing 3 international projects funded by Spark, MHRD with Germany, ASEAN with Indonesia and Malaysia, DST and CNRS with France. The Center for Natural Language Processing, CNLP, a research center, has been established at NIT Silchar under his leadership. Professor Bandyopadhyay has various international research collaborations and visited several countries to deliver invited talks. He is regularly organizing the workshop series Sentiment Analysis, where AI meets psychology. He was the program chair of the 14th International Conference on Natural Language Processing. He has started the International Conference on Big Data and Machine Learning Applications in the Department of Computer Science Engineering at NIT Silchar. Ladies and gentlemen, and all the first-year students, I'd now like to request our Honorable Director, Professor Shivaji Bandyopadhyay, to deliver his address.
Hello, good morning, and warmest welcome to all the first-year BTech students of NIT Silchar who are joining the institute from today. We are waiting to welcome you physically in the campus to look you, but since the situation has not improved till now, so you are joining us in an online mode, and we do expect that in the near future the situation will improve and you will be able to join the campus in the physical mode. We understand that is in the last few months you are battling your own tensions, own emotions, and that is how the situation will be cleared out, how you will be joining, how you will be appearing for your examinations. And finally, the time has come when you have been able to join NIT Silchar from today. So now I will take you through a journey through NIT campus, through our slides, because it is an online mode. So we have got nothing to, there is no other options to do. So in the slide itself, you can see the guest house. Then the NIT Silchar welcomes you. Ours is a large 625 acres campus, and almost 90% of that is kept green. We have 23 natural lakes, and in such a large green campus, it is obviously an ardent task to sustain it, to maintain it. And when you will be in the campus, you will be having a feel of that. From today onwards, you are participating in an exciting educational journey of discovery with us. You will find unlimited opportunities as long as you are in the online mode or you are then finally in the offline mode, to enjoy campus life by learning, exploring, and engaging together. The batch of 2020 will be remembered in the history of mankind, not because of the crises and losses, but the ability you hold to change and rebuild the society. Today, we are at a new horizon, at the crossroads of a technological revolution in India and across the world. When we are moving to the digital era, we in NIT Silchar has to be ambitious, boldly innovative, and think out of the box to emerge as the epitome of higher learning in India and Asia. And in this journey, we are happy to have you as with us so that we can make our journey to the next goal successful. During this period when you were also, along with your parents and near and dear ones, were fighting the pandemic situation, we were also responding to the crisis because we had your seniors in the campus. Some of them also had to stay in the campus even after that period. So we followed all the preventive measure protocols in compliance with the instructions advised by Government of India. And I advise you, that is the since the period, the all clear signal is not yet there. So please follow the protocols of wearing mask, then washing your hands, and maintaining the social distance when you are mixing with others. During this period of pandemic, we immediately switched to the online classroom mode, teaching, learning. The students also who were with us, they cooperated positively. We understand that the digital situation was not very good for them. And one of the foremost tasks that we took up is that the result of the final year graduates to publish on time. And we did that. That was to see that the job opportunity of none of our pass out graduates that are hampered. And fortunately, nothing of that sort has happened. And the deferment is also not there. During this period, an NIT Silchar team, and you'll be happy to note that this team was led by a second year student, just like you, who joined NIT Silchar just 1 year before you. The team participated in the MIT COVID-19 challenge organized by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. And the Silchar team was proudly selected in the top 8 teams by taking over 1,528 teams worldwide. We had to arrange physical and mental health well-being committee for the students during and the post-COVID-19. We have an institutional social responsibility unit, ISR team, Gyan Sagar, and the students are the volunteers there along with the faculty members. So you yourselves, when you will be joining the institute, you will be a part of the Gyan Sagar unit. The Gyan Sagar during this period, they prepared homemade masks and distributed them to the local villagers. You know about Arogya Setu app, and we are happy that one of our notable alumni was part of the technical team to build this app for the society. Our students have remodeled the e-rickshaw to maintain social distancing norms. And in a few slides later, you will be seeing the pictures of that. During this period, our faculty members published a good number of articles, and many of them are related to COVID-19. We prepared hand sanitizers. Faculty members, scholars, staff members also following the WHO guidelines for the district administration, for the local people, and for people engaged in emergency services. Next, we talk about connectivity of Silchar. Because when you selected NIT Silchar as your destination for the next 4 years of your study, obviously connectivity was in your mind, along with other components like the research and the academic atmosphere in the institute. And in terms of connectivity, it is a moderate one. We have direct connectivity with Delhi, Kolkata, with Bengaluru, then Chennai, Guwahati. We have train connections with Silchar and Badarpur are the nearest stations. And from Silchar and Badarpur, we have we provide the bus service during the period when the students join the institute en masse. And the road communication with Guwahati and Silchar and with other states in the northeast part of India. So that is quite comfortable. In this picture, you can see the air connectivity of Silchar with some of the important states. So no matter from which part of the country you are joining NIT Silchar, so you'll be, say, not very far away from your nearest city with Silchar. So our UG students take part in the institute-funded R&D projects through these UGRC. And these teams include the BTech masters as well as the PhD students, so that they share their experiences. And you know that the best of the learning basically comes from the peer learning. And here you can identify that till your class 12, you were studying to get a better position, to get a better result. But now when you have joined an BTech program here at NIT Silchar, so your task is basically to have the peer learning, to get the learning outcome not only from the faculty members, but also from the seniors as well. And why not from the class members themselves, classmates. So the whole philosophy of learning, there is a sea change basically now. We regularly organize a research conclave on Nation, where undergraduate as well as postgraduate students, they showcase their research projects. This year, in February, we are able to organize this on Nation 2.0, and 5 teams were finally selected for the zonal round. And there were teams from the undergraduate students as well. And here you can see some glimpses of the On Nation 2.0 research conclave, where you can see and our faculty members who are sharing with the students. This is another view of the On Nation, and more than 449 participants across the institute, they showcase their work. Our students regularly take part in the technology competitions organized by various industrial groups. For example, from the mechanical engineering group, we had the team Twaran. They participated in the All India Sai Baza competition. So basically, developing an all-terrain vehicle right from the scratch in the own workshop. So this year, we got some position, but obviously our aim is to go higher. And maybe I do believe that when you will be joining the institute, so with your involvement in the performance, so we'll be having better positions in the coming years. Now let us look into some of the celebration moments in the NIT campus. And obviously you will get a real feel when you will be able to put your feet on the NIT Silchar campus itself. You can see a glimpse how we organize the Republic Day parade. The student paraders from the different hostels. And at the very back, you can see the hostel building, hostel 6-7. And this is the playground in the campus. This is the similar situation on an Independence Day last year. We have a students activity center at an indoor stadium where we organize blood donation camps, sometimes with Independence Day, sometimes on other occasions as well. You can see that this is one glimpse of the students from Hostel 7. that is, they are saluting the national flag. And rejoice moment for the students, because on these national celebration days, we give the award for the best hostel in terms of their performances in the various events, but also in terms of the cleanliness that they maintain in their hostel, where say the faculty judges, they basically visit the student hostel rooms and find out that is how clean they are, and accordingly the hostels, they basically receive a point. Then we'll be seeing the Diwali celebration also, the green Diwali celebration, or what we call as the Rangoli celebration in the various hostels. So this is a joyous moment for the students group. This is a view of the Foundation Day and the International Mother Language Day. You know that 21st February is basically the International Mother Language Day. And importantly, 21st February is the Foundation Day of NIT Silchar. You might have seen that. And here you can see a glimpse of the campus where the students are on a cultural procession within the campus. Then similar celebration site on the Mother Language Day. Posua, the Post Festival of Assam. The tree plantation drive, the mass tree plantation that our students basically do. So on the occasion of World Environment Day, students all over the country, because they were not in the campus, they planted trees in their own locality. And a similar request also we have made to all of you to plant trees in your locality and to share the pictures with us. So similar kind of collage we'll be doing on during this induction program. Celebration continues. This is Doi Handi, and this is one hostel, part of a hostel. Some social activities by the Gansakot team, cloth distribution in the nearby villages, the Green Diwali celebrations, the lady cricket team, where our lady faculty members and staff members, they played with the girl students. See that the relationship that we will be building over the years, say, obviously, as a student, you'll be demanding a facility and we'll be providing that. We'll try to see that that facility is provided. But at the same time, we demand responsibility from your side, and you'll have to ascertain it. So the facilities in terms of academic facilities, so when you'll be coming to the campus, so you can basically feel that. But recently we have updated our curriculum and syllabus, and because as an institute we can continuously update it, so we keep ourselves, say, abreast with the current state of the art. But one thing, keep in mind, you attend the classes regularly, but do not skip an examination, whether you are online examination or you are in an offline mode of examination. Because if you are afraid, take help of friends, counselors, or even approach me before the examination. Any kind of fear can be overcome if we can share that. And obviously, share an helping hand to your specially able friends. You'll have to develop your communicative skills also, because that is the most important thing for your journey to the next step of the world. We have the language laboratory, and that support you'll be using. We have good hostel facilities for boys as well as for the girls also. And the students take a lot of responsibilities in maintaining that, along with the administrative and other support staffs. Glimpses of some hostels. This is part of Hostel 9. This is another view of our hostel area. These are some hostel buildings, and you can see the solar water heater that is on the top of the some hostels. so that during the winter season, you feel quite comfortable. And we have an 1 megawatt solar power plant. So in many of the rooftops, you can see the solar plates are there. We have a biogas plant also. You have your roles in the security and the beautification of the campus. So obviously, you'll have to take. And one of the main things that we mention is that whenever, say, you are leaving your hostel room or you are leaving your classroom, you switch off all lights and fans. And this, we tell you, even in your own house, when you are not in the room yourself, you are not using that, see that the energy is saved. We have a number of lakes, 23 of them, but no students are allowed to swim in any lakes. An authority will not be responsible for any problem due to unauthorized swimming. We are a plastic-free campus, but our objective is to sustain it. That is our task. We have a moderate health center with its facilities. We have 2 ambulances, and here you can see the ambulance contact numbers. Some medical equipments, moderate, then physiotherapy clinic. We have a dental clinic also. We have ambulances which are available 24/7 all days. We have a clinical laboratory. Obviously, our doctors, they sit during this out department. We have a pharmacy. And we provide counseling support to, so 2 email IDs we have mentioned here. So that we'll be sharing with you later on also. So one is a male counselor, another is a lady counselor. You can write email to them, and then you can fix the say, till now it will be an over the phone appointment, and then you can discuss your issues with the counselor on a private mode. So there will be no interference from any side. There are lots of sports activities within the campus. And because now you are in an online mode of joining, so all these activities we are not able to say begin at this moment. This is our wooden board, recently constructed, and the last All India Inter-NIT badminton and the tennis, table tennis, they were conducted on this board. Cycling, obviously, our students prefer not only for movements from the hostel to the academic area, but also, obviously, that is whenever there is an awareness campaign in the nearby villages. So cycling is the most preferred mode of transport. There are various cultural clubs, and you can identify that the various induction program activities that we have planned, these are oriented toward these cultural clubs. So we are trying to identify your interest areas, and as and when you will be able to join our team physically in the campus, so you can get your interest and you can pursue that passion. There are a lot of technical clubs as well: coding club, robotics club, machine learning club, and the entrepreneurship cell. And these clubs, the coding club obviously can start its work in the online mode, but for others, we are waiting for you to come to the campus. We have a library facility, and you can see we call that library as the Learning Resource Center. It is named after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who visited NIT Silchar a few years back, and we'll be providing some e-learning solutions, e-learning activities to you also, so that you can continue using the library facilities during your, say, the first semester of your study at NIT Silchar. We will provide support for academic course, placement, internship, seminar, publications, security, healthcare, sports, entertainment, counseling, transport, communicative skill, but will not tolerate indiscipline, ragging, regular absence from classes, disturbance to any community, harassment to ladies, harassment to juniors, fighting, any kind of physical or verbal abuse, disrespect to other community, problems with local people, alcohol and drug. And if any of these situations happen to you, we will be forced to take the extreme steps. So I think it is better for all of us to note that so that we won't have to experience any kind of these activities which are non-compromisable basically. Now, the induction program 2020, you are going to join from that is the actual set of activities will start from tomorrow. Today in the first half, you have the orientation program at the institute level. Then in the second half, you will be joining your respective departments to have a department level orientation program. Now, the induction program 2020, this time, say, because it is being done in an online mode, so our perspectives are, we are lighting up the path to fulfill your dreams, to follow up your passions, but above all, be a good human being and be a worthy and responsible citizen of India. Some glimpse of the celebrations of induction 2019 last year. The painting workshops and the canvases that were developed by the students. So these are placed in the central library, all of them, and as well as in the director's enclave that is near my chamber. That is so that anyone visiting the institute, they know. And in each of the canvas, we have put the name of the student and in which department the student basically belongs. So your identity and your credence is also shared with the outside world and with all of us. This is one picture of mass tree plantation by first year students. They are waiting. Then after that, they will basically move to the different locations with their own nameplates. So the idea is that you plant a tree when you join the institute, and throughout your 4 years of your study, you nurture it. So you know that is the caring. And then when you leave the institute and when you come back again, if you are fortunate enough, if you see that the tree is still there with your nameplate there, so your memories will be relived. This is our stadium. That is where this kind of, because as part of the induction program, we have some expert lectures as well. So during those expert lectures or when we need to address the whole batch of students or where our cultural programs also, they are organized. So this is the indoor stadium and it can accommodate 1,500 seats. And this atmosphere, obviously we feel sorry that this induction program, we are not able to give you this kind of experience. But we assure you that when you join us in the physical mode, obviously we'll have regular programs there so that you will not be feeling the absence of such an environment. And these are the different events in the induction 2020. Some of the events are compulsory in yoga and the mass tree plantation. And out of the other events, say we'll have to make some restrictions that we have already mentioned in our website. For the foreign language learning, so as of now, only the French language we have been able to confirm. Only 50 students will be taking. During this induction 2020, there will be mentoring by faculty mentors, and these faculty mentors, 10 students will be assigned to a faculty mentor, and they will be your mentor throughout your 4 years of your stay here. And along with your 10 classmates, so another set of current second year students are also being mentored by the same faculty. So all of you together will form a team. So any kind of interactions, any kind of queries, any kind of sharing of say the sadness or joy you can do with the team. There will be invited talks by experts. Everyone must attend that. There will be invited talks by senior executives from industries. And for all these activities, not only from the induction program, but also for the next 4 years of your stay here. So you have already been assigned an official institute email ID. So all our communications with you will happen through that. Vital to the excellence, creativity, and innovation at NIT Silchar is our commitment to diversity and inclusiveness. Cultivating innovation is a hallmark of the institute. We encourage one another to celebrate our differences and to eliminate intolerance and discrimination. Together, we work to promote a campus climate that is respectful, civil, supportive, and safe. These core values allow us to provide a living and learning environment where we can all pursue our dreams and reach our highest potential. You have all our best wishes to you.